एवरीवन वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 9 इंग्लिश बिहाई द रोड नॉट टेकन पोएम का क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का 1, वेयर डज द ट्रेवलर फाइंड हिमसेल्फ, वाट प्रॉब्लम डज ही फेस। ट्रैवलर अपने आप को कहाँ पाता है और वह किस प्रॉब्लम में था। आंसर, द ट्रैवलर फाइंड हिमसेल्फ इन द येलो वुड्स एट ए पॉइंट वेयर द रोड फॉर्क्स इनटू टू। ट्रैवलर अपने आप को येलो वुड्स के पास पाता है जहाँ रोड दो दिशाओं में बंट जाता है। The problem that he faces is that he cannot decide which road to take to continue his journey, since it is not possible for him to travel both roads at the same time. और वह प्रॉब्लम था कि वह डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहा था कि वह किस सड़क को चुने चलने के लिए, और यह भी पॉसिबल नहीं था कि वह दोनों सड़क पर एक ही बार में चल सके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डिस्कस व्हाट दीज फ्रेज मीन्स टू यू। फर्स्ट, ए येलो वुड। आंसर, येलो वुड symbolizes the autumn season. Autumn corresponds with old age. The poet could be symbolically talking about the latter stages of life. येलो वुड सिम्बलाइज करता है ऑटम सीजन को, जो कि पुराने एजों में था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इट वाज ग्रासी एंड वांटेड वियर्ड। आंसर, इट कन्वेज दैट द रोड वाज फुल ऑफ ग्रास एंड नो बडी हैज यूज्ड दैट रोड. It was a smooth road which had not worn out. यह दिखाता है कि यह सड़क ग्रास से फुल था और लग रहा था कि यह इस सड़क पे कभी कोई नहीं चला है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, दी पासिंग हेयर। The use of the path by passerby. 4, leaves on step and trodden black. The leaves had not changed their color and turned black because of less people stepping on them. It could represent a path one may have never seldom taken in life for the fear of uncertainty. लीव्स अपने कलर को चेंज नहीं करता है, ब्लैक कलर में नहीं बदलता है। इसका मतलब यह है कि यह इस पाथ पे कभी भी कोई नहीं चला है, इस डर से कि इधर क्या होगा या नहीं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, इज देयर एनी difference between the two roads as the poet describes them in stanzas 2 and 3? Answer 1. In stanza 2, the poet explains that the only difference between the roads was that the road he took had the right to be chosen the better claim because it was covered with grass and looked as if he had not been used too much. Besides this difference, both roads had been equally worn down by passerby traveling on them. In stanza 3, the poet says that both the roads were equally covered with leaves and that no person had stepped on. Question number 2, in the last two lines of the poem. Answer, in the last two lines of the poem, the poet says that there is a difference between the two roads because he took the road that was less traveled by other people, and that made all the difference to his journey. Question number 4. What do you think the last two lines of the poem means? Looking back, does the poet regret his choice or accept it? Answer. The last two lines of the poem means the acceptable of reality. The poet made a choice and accepted the challenging path he took and unexplored path in his life. He wanted to do something different in his life, so he chosen the less traveled road. No, he does not regret his choice. Question number 2 का 1. Have you ever had to make a difficult choice, or do you think you will have difficult choice to make? How will you make the choice, for what reason? Answer. No, till now I have never been in a situation in which I had to make a difficult choice. Perhaps I am still too young to make an independent choice. Yes, I think later or sooner I will have difficult choices to make. After completing my general education, I will have to make choice of profession, whether I should become an engineer or doctor or something else. I will have hundreds of options before me. Then it will be difficult to make a choice in between them. I will make my choice according to my capabilities and strong points at the time. I will choose a path that gives me satisfaction and mental peace. I will not join the rat race for money, like the poet in poem. I will choose a challenging and unexplored path in my life. Question number 2. After you have made a choice, do you always think about what might have been, or do you accept the reality? Answer. Thinking a decision sometimes make or mars our future. Having made a choice, I accept the reality. Considering a decision or contemplating over it is not a positive approach towards life. Such thoughts never allow us to be happy with what we have gained from our decision. Therefore, I believe in sticking to my decision. तो यही था आज का हमारा क्लास 9 इंग्लिश बिहाइव का क्वेश्चन आंसर. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. थैंक यू.